On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making them moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good evening, Otter gang. Asia, baby. Let's jump into the charts. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully you're all having a wonderful evening. Thank you for hanging out on this beautiful Asian session here. We got the Asian longboat pattern right now. We got the tail and then the Asian longboat dragon here, dragon tail. Hopefully we see some fireworks tonight. Okay, that's all I got. That's all I got. What's going on, gang? Good to see you guys. Hopefully you're having a wonderful evening. Shout out to you guys. A little bit slow. A nice push. I mean, what a jaggedy ass day. Jaggedy ass. I don't know. If you made money today, GG's. But we got it's like the Loch Ness. I long Dragon Balls. Yeah, I'm look at this shit today. It's fucking, this is so garbage, man. I took $1,000 loss this morning. Managed to scalp my way back. Kind of all over the place today. Not the greatest trading session, but you know, I managed to kick some ass after. Just up down, kind of a yo-yo. I got stopped out for like $900 here. 1,400, 400, minus 300. Minus, yeah, it's been very sporadic today. Hasn't been anything really gender fluid. If that's is that a trading strategy these days? There's got to be some sort of strategy like that. But thank you guys for being here, hanging out. There's only 80 of you, so if you wouldn't mind hitting those like buttons, I'd appreciate it. Thank you guys for being here. I guess we can do a poll. How was your trading today? We'll go with up, and then we'll go with down. We'll go with wrecked, and then we'll go break even. All right. Only two of those are good, which are up and break even. Good night. Good night. Good to see you. Good night in the chat. I guess we can put good morning, good nights. But yeah, we can look at we can do top down analysis here. Bitcoin, Solana's coming for an SFP bearish divergence in here. I would normally short the shit out of this, but it's moved up quite aggressively here. So we'll wait. Am I missing a tab? Yes, I am. I should have 2 Bitcoin, 2 Solana. I don't like splitting screens and stuff. It's not like my forte here. I got 3 screens, but it's like hanging man and golfing on Solana. Maybe we short this here. What do you guys think? I could see this rolling over a little bit here. Bitcoin doesn't look bullish either. Bitcoin rolling over, flattening out a little bit here. 3-minute Solana hanging man engulfing candle push down. Just back into here. It would be like a little tiny scalp, something like this. Little Asian scalp, man. What do you guys think? I don't know yet. Got volume pushing us up here, pushing us up. Consolidation flagging out. Bitcoin rolls over here and retests. 1 minute block in here. Yeah, we got a 1 minute block down here. So we look for the retest in here. Also got to revisit a previous highs block here as well. Kind of a mixed bag. We do have bullish momentum continuation here. So how's the NASDAQ looking? Climbing wall of worry. Okay. Climbing. Oh my God. So we had the big retracement this morning and then poof. Up we go. We're really trying to take this high here for the NAS. It's a little bit far away right now. But we'll see what we get here. Bitcoin needs to roll over. Rejection zone. Doesn't look like it's done just yet. I'm going to take the Solana trade. I'm going to take this. See if we can come back down to like the lows in here. It's pretty much a 1-to-1 ratio trade here. I'm not going to be a dick for a tick though. I'll take the money quick if it rolls over here. That's a quick 160 if it does roll. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, guys. 110 bucks to start this stream off. I like for scalps. I really like a hanging man engulfing candle. If you don't know what a hanging man is, it's basically like an inverse doji candle. But the candle after, if you engulf, it typically has some force. Look at that bounce. So it's a good scalp. It's jumping quick, man. Ninja style. GG's in the chat to start the stream. I don't see any GG's. I'm gonna GG myself then. Good job. Good gang. What's GG's stand for though? Like is it good job? Good God? God that was gay? Maybe we can start a new one. God that was gay. Could I get a GTWG? A GTWG in the chat? Good game. Good going. See, we were talking on Billy Goat Tales about like, I love you, Alexander G. We are going to pin this message. Okay, this message is brought to you by by AlexOCrypto. God, that was gay. Great gamble. James Millman's gonna get a timeout. Thanks, man. Ask the other. You're lucky you're getting a minute. Ask the other guy who said great gamble to me last time. Watch what happened to him. We're built on kindness, not douche canoes. That was generous. Doji engulfing. Okay. Flagging out here. A little bit of strength stepping up here. What's going on? Great grab. Gay. It stands for gay. Oh, man. You guys kill me. Bitcoin showing strength here for sure. Double bottom push. Green dot printing can go halfway down the candle, continuation up now. Invalidated Solana. Chopping up at the top here, so possible continuation. I would look for Bitcoin to come back down. Thank you, everybody, for being here and hanging out. Scalp like you just did. Did you limit out of the entire position since you were just looking for... Yeah, absolutely. It was a limit out. So if you're looking at the position here, Mark, because I know you're part of the family, right? So we're looking for follow through here. So we'll mark it in. I'd have to size down a little bit, but you'd mark it in. You'd mark it in. I don't know what exchange you're using, but to limit in, you could copy the price here and limit out. For me, I just used the position thing over here. I paste in here and I select how much percent I want to take out. It's like 25, 50, 75, or 100 typically. That was 100%, and then I'd limit out. That would be the setup. But mark it in, limit out. And I mean, you can see I still get quite a bit of fees for the market in, $66. I mean, I do trade quite big position size, but happy days, right? Happy days. Yeah, 100% on that one. Yeah, not messing around with most of the time it's 50% mark, but it's like in this context of trading Asia, I don't, unless I can see a good escape velocity, meaning like I can go stop loss to entry pretty safely. You can see in here like stop loss to entry on that move here wouldn't have worked, right? I would have been stopped out. Right? I would have been stopped out, stop loss to entry here. So if I'm chopping in a range, go from the top to the bottom, typically I'm getting out. Unless I see escape velocity, which is volume and strength. So if I get out of this range with a push, so if I start to push out instead of just taking that off, right, because you can see the limit order was down here, and then I drag that limit order into position if I see it kind of being weak. If it's not weak and it starts pushing out, then I can slide my stop loss into break even, and I can continue to hold my limit order down here. And I can make a decision to take this off, or I can, and then put it back on for maybe 50% and let it run a bit, or I can just take it off and let it run, right? Depending on the strength of the candle following that. But as a scalper, especially in chop, unless it starts to escape, like you can see in here. So if you're chopping in here, right, which I did long here, but I longed on this candle and I got out here, and obviously I was pissed off that I didn't hold this all the way up, but I was a bit early. If I saw the escape velocity here, then you can hold this thing. Okay, and I did get long here. Breakout, retest of previous highs, and continuation up. What was that, 130, 137? That was right here. 137. Right here, 137.99. That one, $500. That would have been a $2,000 trade, probably $3,000 trade if I held it, but it's that context, right? I mean, I got in a little bit early and it didn't follow through right away. So I took it to the top of the high, which is fine. Paul Caruso, no foreplay and definitely no cuddling. Nah, man, we ain't here to cuddle. It's Asia, man. Asia's, you want oil or powder? One and done. What's going on, Daniel? Good to see you, bro. Does Chart Prime really match the hype? I mean, I teach in Chart Prime. I think their oscillators and their tools are good. I use their order blocks to make me more efficient. Like, I know where an order block looks like and how to spot an order block. It just makes my life easier. I use their oscillator for a couple of things now. It's overlaid in here. I mean, they're all tools. Whether you want to, good tools with good skills can make great traders, but a lot of the time you don't need to be a superhero with the tools. Anchor trigger wave, key resistance. If we break this low, you could be looking for shorts here. I just kind of wanted to get my feet wet with that scalp. Be the tool. That's the one, man. I mean, they make us more efficient. Like, I'm sure, like Magic, I'm sure you have some pivot indicators, so you don't have to go and mark out your weekly pivots and go over and draw my horizontals. I mean, I have one too for my intraday. Like, it's like the most basic previous day high, low, close. Like, you could put on your monthlies and all that and mark them out and put them in your object tree. Being organized is important, or being lazy is also important. I mean, when you're staring at charts all day, you kind of know where you're looking to go. But price action, market structure, liquidity, and volume will tell you what you really need to know. How you doing, Magic? Good job today on Sin City Crypto. WAP deviation has been king for me in the past few years. Nice. I mean, I wouldn't be lost without VWAP, but I mean, I'm a heavy VWAP trader as a scalper, but if you guys aren't following Magic, I highly suggest you do. Join the hub, man. position size does matter. Okay. The crypto hub. The crypto hub, baby. I love it. Position size does matter, guys. I don't think the glory hole. Make sure you go to the glory hole. You'll learn a lot. I haven't been through the glory hole in a while. I should post in the glory hole just to. I love you, Magic. Hopefully you're having a great day, buddy. Happy Turkey Day too, by the way. Hopefully all is well. We got. Yeah, this looks bearish here. We could come back into this block here. Possible continuation retest of this ugly ass triangle in here, right? All matches kind of up. You can get to this level pretty easy with a multitude of things. Is it worth the squeeze though? We've come up into pretty key resistance today. Turkey Day will be good to go take the kids, see some family and old friends down the old stomping grounds. First snow this week too. That's awesome, bro. Yeah, we got snow yesterday. I gotta show you some photos, man. I'll put them in my Discord. I'll show you guys. My son isn't used to the snow just yet. I can show you here. In our position size there. This is from my kitchen window, bro. It's pretty sick. They're doing construction down here, which is nice because that's my view from the office. It's pretty sick. Yeah, but Thanksgiving we had our Turkey Day. Obviously, we have ours in October. I think it's because the harvest is earlier for the Canadians, because it's damn cold. But no, that's awesome. Spending time with family, being grateful, all those good things. Wait, go back. I swear I saw a Yeti. Yeah, there is a Yeti. You ever see Bob Ross do charts? Fucking Bob Ross. Bob Ross doing NFTs. Oh, fuck. No. It was before time, bro. Don't lie. You were doing charts like in the land before time. Keep your dreams wet. You have a Yeti NFT. Look at you. French Toaster's a real OG. Retest to previous lows. Continuation down here. Bearish. Follow through. See how like the quick scalp into the bottom of the range worked, but this would have obviously been a lot juicier. So directionally right, but just a little late to the party. Solana rolling over, same deal. Key level of support here on Solana though. We'll see if it does bounce off of here. A little trigger wave on the oscillator. You did a video with chart prime oscillator overlaid and talked about clipping and divergences. Yeah, it's on the it's in the lessons, man. It's in the massive amount of lessons. Is it oscillator magic? All right, let's talk about the money flow. That's a 1% move. Oscillator Magic, I think it's called. Bearded Mac. It's in the must videos in that category. Bitunix or Bybit. I think Bybit's better. Bybit's a bit more expensive with fees, but I always chart on Bybit. I like the volume on Bybit. Bitunix is new, no KYC. Bybit for sure. $61 likes, 144 watching. Are you gonna seriously come to a 1 minute block right now? No, not even retest your previous highs. It's gonna do us dirty like that. We'll see if it comes back. Good evening, Random, Bearded Mac Mike, Coolio. Yeah, there's I think it might be under bonus videos too. There might be another one. Is this your cat ears? Is that a cat ear pattern? True 7 chart prime cheat code. Okay, that's the one. That's the one, Bearded. Let me copy link. Chart prime cheat sheet thing. I hate to be bullish going into the holidays. I mean, it doesn't look good, guys. Everything looks like... The only thing that actually gives me a little bit of hope is the Russell right now. Especially with quantitative easing coming. I don't know. I shared this chart on maybe Magic will... I'm not a big macro guy, Magic. Come on, but give me some kudos for this call here on my value area high volume tap on the Russell going back into expansion after dropping like it's hot. I mean, the head and shoulders down here was pretty easy to call into this move. But I think this was the even better call. I got the Twitter receipt. Okay. I thought I did well. But then again, I don't macro TA that well. I do fairly well. Like I do a decent job, but I don't trade. I can't justify saying I do a good macro TA well if I don't trade it. For me, I scalp. Proof's in the pudding. I got receipts. I can scalp well. Damn, you on the weekly chart. Right. I know. Shit the bed, bro. Oh, fuck. I get like itchy when I get on the weekly chart. Oh man. My scalping is legendary. No, it's practice, man. It's practice, it's patience. A lot of the time trading is just waiting, guys. It's like, I mean, I rushed it today and I was down $1,000 to start the day and I'm up 5 to finish the day. But it was a bad start to the day. I literally should have, I saw it the whole way, man. This morning was so obvious. What do we have? All right, we go into the open here this morning. Okay. Here's our stream, right? We come into our stream. What do we have? Double top SFP, failure to push, right? We have a break in here. We have a retest back in. We have SFP, clear liquidity imbalance in here. Rug show straight down. Boom. Easy short. Okay. Easy short. Then we consolidate in here. Okay. Then we consolidate in here. This is a simple retest of previous lows. Continuation down. Rotation down. So that was the easy part. Then my trading changed. Inverse head and shoulders here. Got long here. Took this thing up. Took this thing back down. And took this thing back up. And then took Solana back up a couple more times. So, I mean, it was just not being able to Oh, here we come back into our zone here. Okay, looking for the bounce in here. And take a slap here. See if we can push back up. I'm long. Just trying to get to previous lows here. Risk-free trade. Dude, where's my car? Stopped out, break even. Did you guys see that? Did you just see that? That was nasty, man. $100 down. Down $100. That was gross, man. That was gross. Welcome to Solana. We got the bounce. Didn't follow through though. Look at Bitcoin. Should have taken Bitcoin. Considering re-entering Solana. That was gross, man. That was scam wickety wickety. I might re-enter Sol here. I should have taken Bitcoin. Bitcoin gonna follow through here. Yeah, I'll take Sol again. That was nasty, man. I thought we were gonna rip. Yeah, Solana's playing definite games here. Did Bitcoin roll over just now? Not even. A little bit. I guess the short was the play. I'll take the $300 loss if we go any lower here. Weird volume, guys. Weird volume. That's how quick it happens, right? Bitcoin still rolling over or pushing back? Rolling over. I'll leave it. Probably gonna hunt me though. What's dominance at? Yeah. It's nasty. Stopped out. Don't play games like that, Solana. Don't play games like that, man. Don't be so gay. take it. I can't even ask you to take my stop loss, man. I'd rather re-enter. I'm trailing like a... Look at this trailing. Are you fucking... Thank you. That's too funny. Should have taken Bitcoin. On to the next one. So, one win, one loss. One win, two losses. So far, Asia session. Hanging out with AlexOCrypto. Hopefully you're all doing well. I still think Solana can go here. If Bitcoin goes, Solana will go. Should have just held that short today. Thank you everybody for being here and smacking like buttons. Just chilling, scalping, hanging out. Asia session. Normally we're trading live. Bitcoin 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time market open. That's where the live stream is. We also have our Discord, best Discord in crypto. Traders helping traders, man. Just looks strong again. I might enter Solana. Let's do it. Let's take a crack at Solana again. Push you, namby-pamby. You're going to pay me this time, Solana. You're going to be a good girl. Don't be a dick for a tick. Push. Thank you. Stop loss to entry. There we go. Another 300. We're back. Break even now. Maybe we can make $100 here. That's why we manage our risk, friends. I'd rather take that loss, right? We look at this, right? I'd rather take that $300 loss with fees, right? Expensive fees, $100 in fees. Rather take the $300 loss and re-enter down here, protected, than let this drag out. You're gonna have a $500, $600 loss. Doesn't help your P&L at the end of the day. You'd rather re-enter, manage your risk below the low. See some bullish momentum, try to push back up. Now we can look for the retest of these lows in here if it wants to go. If not, happy days. We'll see. It's either a $600 trade or a $300 trade, just chilling. Yo, Alex, can you check XRP? No, Nicole, I don't know what you're talking about, bro. I think you're gonna have to go and have a nice trip out of here. What's going on, Curtis? Good to see you, Henderson. Thinking of scooping up Marsui? Sure, man. Discord is fire. Yeah. Your otter symbol is gay. I mean, I didn't come up with the otter. Believe me. I would have picked like a saber tooth or something weird like that. And it would have been even more gay. It's cool that I didn't come up with the otter. BTC previously equal out. Okay. So where are we going? Are we going to the moon? The magic. You think we're going into business cycle, or is the business cycle just opium? I don't know. We'll see, man. I mean, I sold at 125. So, I mean, I'm not upset. I only sold 40% of the Bitcoin that I was going to sell. But I thought we were going to go to 130 to 146, 143, Fibonacci extension levels. Otters are cool. The power of leverage, profit, big loss as well. Premium Discord is fire. Beautiful, bro. Good work, man. That's good work. Yeah. No, I agree. There was that, I mean, you want to see the chart, bro? I don't know if magic, this is going to give magic fucking anxiety. Watch this shit, bro. Oh, man. Oh, shit. All right. So I had my fib level, expansion level. See, you can see here, I have 124.8. So I sold here. I was looking for the fib extension level as well. I mean, this was so obvious, wasn't it? I'm surprised we came back and tapped it again. I sold it on the third tap. I mean, it played perfectly. I just thought we'd get a little bit of a pushback for altcoins, but we didn't. And then I had my target up top here. This is going to get even messier, man. Are you sure you're ready for this? Take profits. So I had another extension level, 1618 at 143. So that was my bullish target. It was my conservative target. And then my bullish target. And then my Valhalla target was 212. I mean, I got paid. At the end of the day, I made money. That's what you're supposed to do, right? Sorry for the chart, man. That's my brain on drugs. That's my brain on drugs, man. Now go to log and use trend basis extension to prior cycle, 3K low to 69 high. Bit stamp chart. You're making me get all jiggy with it, bro. I don't know if we can. Which level did you say? 3K low? Down here? Or this one? Where's 3K low? Sorry. Fuck. fucking man, you. This is some different planet shit, man. 3K low to high to low. I mean, obviously we should use magnets here, but we're just free. No. Yeah, man. There it is. That's beautiful. Unfortunately. Unfortunately. That's crazy. 150 is a 2 to 2. But that's pretty cool, man. Oh, show fibs and log. Where is this? Show fibs and log. I haven't done this in a long time, bro. He's like, man, AlexOCrypto and fucking macro technical analysis. He's going to guide me because he's a good teacher. Fibs on log scale. That's better. Called the high. That's crazy, man. I love fib extensions. So gangster, man. It's so good, man. It's just bread and butter, man. It's so good. And it like calculates for diminishing returns too, man. It's so cool. There you have it, guys. I mean, guys, make sure you guys can go and follow Magic Internet Money. I mean, he's a good friend of the channel. Good human. He's family. Join his Discord. You'll learn a lot of this macro analysis stuff. And, you know, he always said he's not a keeper of secrets to me when I was very new. Like, very new. I mean, I still can't draw a good bat pattern, but, you know, I understand. I've learned a lot. So make sure you guys all go and subscribe to him. I think you only charge like $10 for your Discord or something like that. It's like the best deal in the world, man. You're spoiling people out here. The only reason I charge more for my Discord Magic is because I don't want a lot of people in it. There's too many people already. We're still holding this. I can't believe this is still open. I should just take the money. French Toaster, God bless, man. Thank you for the 10. Lots of lurkers in the chat, man. It did the same last cycle at the 1618 extension level. Wow. That's wild. Lurker. Everybody in a long here, put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. Smoke another one, bro. I've smoked more bongs than most people, but I haven't smoked bongs in about 8 years now. But yeah, Canada, it's like oxygen, man. It's like oxygen. It's like you're looking at the Matrix. Yeah, man. Bitcoin's going to 101K. What's that? Well, if for both I'm bi-directional, that sounds like some woke shit, man. My pronouns are Lord Otter and King Beaver. If you do want to use them correctly, I would appreciate that. It was a joke about schlonging. I like schlonging. A hedge is always good. Did I miss your gift? Do I owe it? J Violet, I'm sorry. I responded to your ticket immediately. God bless you, J Violet. Thank you so much for the 5. I appreciate you. J Meg, Lurker, Jacob Lurker, Evade Lurker, Azapats. Azapats on the back, man. Dusty and broke. Oh man, you're not just broke. You need dusty. You, sir, have the only good pronouns I've ever heard. What's going on, Jesse? Good to see you on Billy Goat Tales, bro. What do you mean Asia live session? It's the morning for you, J Violet. Don't lie to me. Close it or hold it, guys. Put a 1 in the chat if you want me to close it. Put a 2 in the chat if I should hold it. Some boring ass price action. Come on. What's Biddy doing? Biddy trying to push here? This is not that. Not that chart. Yeah, it looks like follow through here on Bitcoin. Holding the WAP. Holding the WAP, man. Close it. Close it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Close it. Close it. Hold it. Is that Dale, is that about Canadians having their land taken over by natives? Land acknowledgement shit? It's kind of like weird. Like white people acknowledging that they stole people's land. It's like kind of throwing salt in the wound. If you really think about it, it's like, I'm acknowledging that we took your land just to let you know. I'm not going to do anything. Just going to let you know that I'm acknowledging that I took it. Just so you know. Just to, it's like saying, sorry I kicked you in the nuts after kicking you in the nuts, you know? If you think about it, though, don't you? If you really think about the concept, like you're paying respect by just letting them know that you took the land. Like, sorry, but my great grandfather got on a ship, gave you guys all smallpox and whatever, and alcohol. But you know what? Canada, every single nation on earth is stolen land. It's a crock of shit. Exactly, man. It's like, you were here, now we're here. Sorry, bro. I'm being impatient, aren't I? I'm being impatient. I should be patient. Just letting you know, what percentage of Genghis Khan? I think Genghis Khan. I think like everybody has a bit of Genghis Khan in them. It's like, yeah, 9% of all Asians have Genghis Khan in them. It's crazy, man. There's some. I mean, that guy took over the world and then some, and then took over more worlds. I mean, the whole colonialism, man. Like, I mean, you want to talk about Roman Empire, Genghis Khan, or the Persians, you know? Some next level. I mean, we gave the Indians alcohol, or the native people alcohol, and they gave us tobacco. We both are fucked for it, right? It's like 8%, yeah. And I think Indian or native Christopher Columbus. The word Indian is like Indo. It's like Indos, which is like people of God, man. People of the valley. It's not like racist. I mean, if I'm ever watching a Cleveland Indian game, I still get the tomahawk out, man. I'm like, oh. The Atlanta Braves. You guys ever see an old school Atlanta Braves game? You want to talk about racist? Should have took the money and ran, guys. Look at this bullshit. The Arrowhead chop. That's so good, man. That's so good. Or like the Commanders now, the Washington Commanders. Like how that's real gay. It's the Redskins, man. It's like it's just a name. People are so butthurt. I'll take that off. $400. We're up a couple hundred tonight. That's fine. See if we get anything else. That was a good slap and go. Clear resistance here. Liquidity in the highs. Rolling over. Bitcoin a little bit overextended. I would expect us to come actually back into here. Now that we have swept the highs, double top, very jagged, sporadic price action, guys. So this would be the target now. Just because of the impulse here up, it's just clear liquidity, leaving a lot of longs free to run. Let's see if we do react in here. We've been live for an hour now, so that's plenty. That's plenty, guys. Thank you everybody for coming through. We've taken 5 trades tonight. Pretty wild. I do appreciate you guys for coming through. Nice to see you, Magic. Nice to see you, gang. Everybody coming through, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the morning. God bless you. Have a wonderful evening. Take care. Much love. And go Redskins. Love you guys. Take care, man. Good night.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexO.